would have color on it and have all around the shape here. But it's a square and have a rainbow and have a rainbow. But it have a rainbow. But I think so. We open it together.
Yes.
Or this is says open your camera to set. I'm not.
Whoops.
I'm cutting the scissors.
Sure.
Yeah. I want to, Mama.
One moment.
I cut this one.
No.
Would you cut?
Why don't you tell the camera first? Hey guys.
Hi.
This is my daughter Elizabeth. I was gonna get her to open my brand
No,
new.
I'm Superman.
She's Superman. See? Show your headband. See? Superman. I have a bit of a cold, so I was actually gonna get Elizabeth to take over opening my new camera, which is a Polaroid Cube Plus. I got it the other day on Amazon for $200 Canadian. So anyways, let's open it.
Yeah.
Yay! I'm gonna cut the tape for you first.
Okay. Can I open it?
Okay, go ahead.
Whoa. Whoa. Here we go. It's like a magnet to stick. It's like a magnet to stick. Look.
Yeah. Oops. Let's take a look. There's a little magnet on the bottom of the camera. I think that means you can. Here, I'll show you. See this? That's a magnet, the silver thing. So it can stick to surfaces. This one, they've got a display little pedestal, which is a piece of metal.
And you'll hold this. And you'll hold this.
Okay, I will hold it like a little pedestal. Oh, there you go. It's pretty. And the measurements are, I just measured it.
I want to.
It says it's 1 inch by 1 inch by 1 inch. It's probably a little bit over, like probably 1 1/8 or about 1 1/8 inch each side. And
Hey, I was doing it.
it comes with a card that says, oops, Cube Club. Let's see you be you. That's what it says on the back. Let's see you be you. Underneath this box are all the accessories right here. Right here. So let's take a look.
Okay.
Just stick your hand into this box, and there's a little tab inside. I'm not sure if you can see it. Grab the tab. Voila. There is something here. Let's open this.
Can I?
Hi, my turn.
It's my turn.
You open the top.
Oh.
Whoa. Open. Oh. This is a carabiner for hooking the camera onto like your necklace or whatever. It takes micro SD card, and the Cube Plus, unlike the original Cube, this version, this is the second version. It comes with a micro SD card, and this is an 8 gig micro SD. Is it an SD? It's a micro memory card of some kind. And
Whoa, look! Where's the camera?
Where's the camera?
Inside.
Can you open it?
No.
And you can purchase the larger one.
Oh, there's still more.
There's a connector cable. Is there more in there? What's inside? Oh! Okay, show the camera. Oh. So this is a little holder for the camera. My daughter has it hidden here. you basically stuff the camera inside this silicone soft gel.
I want the camera, please.
And also then there's a lanyard necklace type thing, which you then hook through here. There we go. And let's put the camera inside.
Hey!
One sec. You do know this belongs to Mama. Oh, so the camera itself, yeah, the bottom is the magnet. The top side is the button for pressing, triggering a photo. I think it's one button for photo and 2 fast clicks for video. The back end is all the connections for the cable and the SD
Can I
card.
move this one?
One sec. So to get this in here, you simply, so make sure the button matches the side over here that has the indentation for the trigger button. Let's see if I can show everyone. It's a little tight, but it's supposed to be, otherwise the camera will just fall right off. Ugh.
Can I use this one?
Yeah, if you want. Go in there, little camera.
Go in there in the camera.
There we go.
There we
You want to wear a necklace?
No. I want to take it off.
No, it's supposed to be a necklace.
No,
I'll show
I'm
first.
trying to stick its ear on.
I know, one sec. So I'll just quickly show size-wise what this looks like. So it can just rest nicely here. I got this camera to go to Hong Kong with. It's just something very tiny, then maybe I can like steal shots of people or like disgusting bathrooms. I can just take a snapshot of it. And yeah, it's pretty neat. This is the unboxing video. Maybe in a few months I will do a actual review. I don't think it's quite fair to review something right after you use it. So, Elizabeth wants the camera back very badly, I don't know why. But I'm eager to test it out. So stay tuned. When I do post the review video, I will let everyone know on my Facebook. So stay tuned. Bye!